Starting an Agile project involves a series of well-defined steps to ensure alignment with Agile principles and smooth project execution. Here's how to start. Assemble the team. Form a cross-functional team with all the skills needed to deliver the project. Assign key roles: product owner, scrum master, and development team members. Define project vision and objectives. Clearly articulate the project vision, goals, and objectives. Ensure all stakeholders have a shared understanding of what the project aims to achieve. Identify stakeholders. List all stakeholders and their expectations. Engage them early to gather requirements and understand their priorities. Create a product backlog. Break down the project into user stories or tasks. Populate the product backlog with these items, prioritizing them based on business value and dependencies. Estimate effort. Use estimation techniques like planning poker or t-shirt sizing to estimate the effort for each user story. This helps in understanding the scope and planning sprints. Plan the first sprint. Select the highest priority items from the product backlog to create the sprint backlog. Define the sprint goal and plan the work for the sprint. Set up Agile ceremonies. Sprint planning. Plan the tasks and goals for the upcoming sprint. Daily stand-ups. Conduct short daily meetings to track progress and address any blockers. Sprint review. At the end of the sprint, review completed work with stakeholders and gather feedback. Sprint retrospective. Reflect on the sprint to identify what went well and areas for improvement. Use Agile tools. Implement Agile project management tools like Jira, Trello, or Asana to track progress, manage the backlog, and facilitate communication.